Hi my friends, it's Ian at Buildabizonline. I wanted to do a video on did you know? Did you know what? Let's go to our homepage at Buildabizonline and let's click on add or edit your programs. So I've just done some editing, okay, by clicking on there, and I've just added another. This one is my hobby. Okay, I go camping. It is my hobby. And I built a website that looks like this. Let me just click on that. It should open in a new window, which it has. Okay. And I've monetized it. What do I mean by that? Okay. So there's me. A little bit younger, but not much. Okay. I've lost a bit of weight since then. But what I used to tell people is this is a counterweight for that to balance me. But what can I do with this? Now then, these are all the tents and the shelters that I use. So what I'm saying to you is, if you've got a hobby, why not build yourself a website like this? These are the tents that I use, okay? And the shelters that I use. And I've put links to these where I got mine from, and I always buy mine from Amazon. And I am an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so when somebody clicks onto that, it goes to, I hope, and it's very slow because we're shooting this video, to the tent that I use. Okay, and if somebody buys this, I will make money. Now, we generally join programs, don't we? Like traffic exchanges and tool programs and so on and so forth. And we make referral commissions when promoting those sort of things. Yeah? Well, this is a different way of doing things. Why should we just join all these affiliate programs? Why can't we join something that some people want? Let me just go to my programs page and I'll show you one or two things that I've got on there. So if I click on my home button, that takes me to my programs page. So there's the link that I've added now. So to get hosting for a website, join Buildabizonline. This is a sample of the website that I'm talking about, where you can monetize your hobby, a website hosted at Buildabizonline. Now, to do that, obviously people have got to be a paid member to get the hosting. This is a list of the traffic sites that I'm on. There is a video showing you how to do that. These are some of the Amazon. I needed a laptop, I should say. So I thought, right, let me I'll make a link to some of the best laptops, the best sellers. And I have sold a laptop from my programs page. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a traffic exchange where you get people to sign up, and if they upgrade, you make money that way, or a tool program, you make money that way through referral. It can be even eBay. I've done that in the past, but that's not been as successful as Amazon for me. Okay, so it's just another idea of how you can use Buildabizonline and its tools, so that you can monetize and the hosting that you get. If you are at our higher, you get our higher level, which is executive plus. You can have hosting at Buildabizonline. Okay, and you get a free SSL certificate as well. So if I click on there, you can see, let me just slide that up to the top. Can you see that padlock? That means it's secure. And people like secure. If you're just using www dot or HTTP, it's not secure. Okay, it might be kosher, it might be good, but and this is just some of the ideas that I'm giving to members at the moment. Okay, now I want also to address this. Did you know that when you add a program to your programs page, your downline will get an email saying that your upline, your sponsor, has just added a program to their programs page, and it'll give them a link like this with your username on the end so that they can go to it and think, ooh. Now, as a result of that, just half an hour ago, I added this. Okay. So I edited and added this. As a result, somebody has had a look at it because I can see by the stats, and also somebody has joined Jungle Clicks Traffic. So it does work. So that's just one way that people, if you keep promoting Buildabizonline, even if they are a free member, they will get that link sent to their email box. Okay. Let me just show you something else. Let's go off this page. Come back here. Right now, if we go to the members area, did you know also that your downline, if they click on this link just here, and we're always encouraging our your downline, not mine, not just mine, but yours as well, they will see your programs, the list of your programs. Now, if I click on that, I haven't got a sponsor because I'm the owner, so that it'll just be a blank page, okay? And there is a message to anybody that has not got a sponsor, so have just joined directly under the domain. We generally give those away paid members. Okay, if the free members to stay as they are, but if the paid members, we generally give those to people that are upgraded to the $14, the Pro Executive. Okay, so they will see this if they haven't got a sponsor, and they'll say, can I have a sponsor? And then I put them under somebody. Okay, so that's how we do that. Right, let's just go back to the members. Okay, did you know that you can, and I'll show you how to do this, if you go to build your downline, there's numbers of ways that you can build your downline here at Buildabizonline. There's the promotion links there. But what I would say, this is what I would say, if you are a pro member, stand out from the rest. Build your own pages, build your own capture pages, build your own splash pages and use them. Stand out from everybody else that is promoting Buildabizonline, because all I can do is provide you with generic promotional pages. But if you do your own, you're standing out from the rest. We've got some pre-written ad copies there. You can view your downline there, and I'm not going to click on that because you'll see people's details and emails. Now, here you can email your downline. Did you know that? Now, it's sad to say, but not even people with a large downline at Buildabizonline are utilizing this tool. Okay, so technically, if you think about it, we're always saying build your list, build yourself a capture page. But if you promote Buildabizonline and people join underneath you, even if they stay as a free member, you will benefit from them because you can email them a business idea or an encouraging mail or something like that. We teach you how to do that, to love your downline, not keep bombarding them with join this, join that, leave what you're doing and come and join this underneath me. And this will tell you the top refers as well, by the way. I don't like that. I really don't like that link, but somebody requested it, so it's in there. So you can email your downline. So there's 3 ways that you can benefit by promoting Buildabizonline. 1, when you add a program to your programs page, and if you're not using this, you're missing out big time, big time. And why do I say that? Now, I have got nearly, I don't know, I've got thousands of members underneath me because all I ever do is promote Buildabizonline. And all I ever use is this programs page. This is mainly 90% of the time, all I ever do is promote this. Why? People would love to get a page like this to promote their business. You can, as a pro member, add up to 20 programs on this programs page. I'm only using, well, there's one there, there's two there, but that's a multiple one, 3, 4. So I can add another 16 ads on this page. And like I say, all I ever do is promote this. Why? This grabs people's attentions. Grab yourself a page like this to promote your business. Okay? So what they do is join. They register up here. Okay? And they join. Now, once they join, as I say, every time you add a program to this programs page, they get an email to say, go and check out your sponsor's programs page. They've just added a new program. Maybe something that you want to join. 2, when you go back to the members area, people, your downline can click on this and see the programs that you are promoting. Okay? And 3, you can email your downline, and please, I would like you to do that in a responsible manner. Otherwise, we can soon take this out. But contact your downline. Don't just ask them to join the latest program, or ask them if they want help. That's what you're there for as a sponsor, not just to bombard them with programs to join and help money, make me more money. Let's help them make more money. Offer them some help, whether it's to build a splash page. I know a lot of our members that are upgraded do help their downline. I'm not saying that they don't. They help them build splash pages, capture pages. They've got their own webinar rooms, and they show them how to do things. I know that that is happening. Okay, so that's just 3 ways of benefiting from those in your downline, and also benefiting from your programs page. Okay, there's not just affiliate marketing programs out there that you can join. You can become an affiliate of Amazon, build web pages, and monetize it. So let us just say that your hobby is golf. It is a profitable niche, and you can build yourself a website on golf. You can buy a ready-built blog. If you're interested in ready-built blogs, I can certainly sort that out for you, and you can host them at Buildabizonline if you're paying at the premium, which is far less than a lot of other programs using the same tools. Or, well, we've actually got more tools than some, and they're paying twice as much as we are. Okay, it's just one other way. So I just wanted to leave you with that, and please try mailing your downline using the mailer in the back. You can use text or HTML. Make sure you click on the button and choose whether you're going to do it in text style. That's just, just words. Or if you want to use the WYSIWYG or what you see, or HTML editor is another name for them. If you want to make it rich text, then you can use that. And you can make some really nice emails. Okay, build your downline up, encourage them, help them. Don't just profit from them or build a list. Help those in your downline and in your mailing list. Okay, my friends, so this is Ian saying thanks very much, and I'll see you again soon in another video.